Hello guys, hello YouTubers. Today we are going to talk about Cyma AK hopper chamber. Sorry for the bad lighting. And we are going to assemble hop-up inner barrel assembly with this classic army precision barrel, tightbore. I bought this chamber from a local gun tech guy. It was around 7.5 USD, 8 USD shipped, and it came with a hop-up rubber. Okay, let's unpack it. I already removed it from the envelope. It came from the past. It's a zinc alloy AK chamber, all the bits and bolts you need to put it together. So let's do it. I like the Cyma chamber and I plan to use this setup in my Kalash/D-Boys AKSU. Wow, all you need is here, including the hop-up knob, the okay, yeah, here it is. So the chamber itself, the hop-up rubber. I like this hop-up rubber particularly because it feels very soft. This is the original Cyma hop-up rubber. And someone said this is a box rubber, but it is way more compatible, so it's a normal barrel. It has nice lips and a very nice surface. For my taste, this is the best hop-up rubber material. Some guys like the hard ones, but I don't believe in them, in the hard rubbers. Okay, let's assemble the whole hop-up barrel assembly. For the Kalash AK, you don't need to remove the hop-up arm or this part, so we can put it together. Much better done. The softening arm is in place. Now put in the knob. Wow, this is always a tricky part. I like these normal knobs instead of edge knobs, because edge knobs are usually made from a solid material. Let me check it. put it in place. Okay, the retaining clip flying away. Let's hold it. Okay, here it is. Very nice. Wow, the rubber is thick, so it may need some struggle to put in. Okay, once the rubber is in the bottle, slightly silicone the outer surface. Avoid silicone getting into the bottle itself. It will kill your hop-up effect. And take your time when inserting this rubber into the chamber. Slightly rotate it and push it inwards. Okay, let's see. Don't be afraid to use some force. Nice. And finally put the retaining clip. Great. If you have some spare brass rings, usually shielded chambers, or any hop-up rubber, oh, then yeah, put it there. And finally, with a flashlight, check the knob is protruding into the barrel. Okay. And also don't forget to check the lips, or the lip of the hop-up rubber.